Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can get CapCut on laptop or PC. Alright, let's get into it. Here I have opened my laptop, and if you want to get CapCut for our laptop, we have to open our Google application first. And I'm just going to open my Google Chrome, so just click on this Google Chrome application. Then we're going to search for CapCut.com like this and just enter. Then after that, if the CapCut.com has been opened, we can click on download for Windows right here, and after that the CapCut will be downloaded. Okay, and you just have to wait for the process, guys. Maybe it will take a little longer. Okay, and now the CapCut is being downloaded, and we can check it the process of the downloading right here. And now it's done, and we just need to open our file manager on our laptop. So just click on file manager, then click on download folder. Okay, and this is the CapCut application, and we just need to install the CapCut. And after we install the CapCut, we will be able to use the CapCut for our editing. Alright guys, and that's how we can get CapCut on PC or laptop. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.